Are you also a person who suffers from asthma, wheezing, or cough on daily basis? But with all the dust and pollution, I started wheezing at night and getting cough out of nowhere. That's why I tried Cureveda Gold Turmeric Defense.
It's a natural formula with haldi, amla and giloi. I started taking a sachet on daily basis.
Within few days, my coughing settled and my breathing felt so much easier. No side effects, just clean and safe support to your lungs. I'm really loving how it's working for me. Definitely worth giving a shot.